Friends, see the nature. All living beings in nature, they support, complement each other. They may fight against the groups, but in case of necessity, they complement and support each other, help each other. See, this is a live example of what nature teaches us. The human beings are the wisest and clever, and the beings who can distinguish between evil and good. But many of them, most of the time, they tend towards evil only rather than good. This particular scene that has happened in Sri Lanka. This is a original scene taken from when there were floods in Sri Lanka. Now it is happening for the last 3 to 4 days. There are heavy downpour and the floods are in Sri Lanka. So this is one of the flood hit areas. The scene is taken, the scenery is from Sri Lanka. Okay friends, just I wanted to show it to you. That is why I have put this small video clip for your comprehension. One has your own perception, you can draw your own perceptions. Friends, as usual, I make a small request. Please like, share and subscribe and support us. Your support is very much required. Thank you for watching. Please take care of your health and families. God bless you all. Good night.